Omuma ne nam ho ema obi be ka so mo ye medra mo frantoma kwase na se ne anka chi akofo na se no mo ye.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Passion so after the indemnity clause abishim. Say boni ye nyina obi antimi mfa ye nkokoto obi antimi nya ye hwe. Omo de abishim ewo ye constitution as enne de ye kasa da so shem. But you go read about the indemnity clause in a constitution.
Current ye wa kasa ye.
Boys me vase be kasa kakra.
Omo Zanetor kasa ye. Oh sorry yes or be kasa no. I wished he had spoken so that you know what is on her mind. Send a bear and get a fire in the bed. Because we need NDC party in Ankatano. Ocean and Nimura can pass some no Babeka. Ocean and Nimura can pass some no because of that. And then Zanetor, only Valerie, Omon Kasa, because of Sadiana and Papaya, you know, because Valerie is not a fan of it. Ubekaya, Obeka Bibisa, and a Valerie Retro on the Facebook was or no. He doesn't support the Ani Papaya because the classmates Papanum and Omuma Minum na Yekuomu Minim on the street too. And yes, sir. These things are in our history for us to learn. So I don't understand why people are pretending Omo Kasa as a minority na ye bibi.
I know you see obu abreusu obu
and that is the hypocrisy of the Ghanaian once again. I didn't know obi de na ade amane nye ya.
Like a young one trouble. Ye dinobi anyimo ka kire nye say wo no you find no or found do party no cramp no or you traitor or you say nyanyimo parliament contribution
be kwentwam o just ya general ya meboa
na say parliament
general ya enu nanim enipa no kura nwui
enye general ya fourth year
omo ye parliament. It was the same day na omo kan we so de na omo de ndom anya abre no. The same day
ya parliament asemo a CEO yes abache
the late Rawlings no who kunkrofo because you claim they stole public money and public properties, but your own wife 31st December scanway oton in surround country man who ono de one who say was say kuno. And you
Rawlings step amobet me I am misro. Now Rawlings step your bomb to me.
Rawlings.
My baby kra wa ha. My baby wa ha. Onwa na enim no. Na ka mo tie my baby.
Enjoy. The state had looked after you from your childhood stage. Udi enyini. Still on my show. What is your contribution to Ghana's economy? What is your contribution?
What be so good question?
I was a fan of JJ Rawlings, so na me penasempa. But after I read Ghana and Rawlings Factor, I realized that the man did more harm than good.
Kevin Shellington, right?
Oninti na Ghana because the chance he had was what Rwanda had few years ago. The chance Rawlings nya and Ghana best sano. Enubina Rwanda anya ene Rwanda
exactly 100% correct.
Because you see, when you put fear in people without discipline, when you are not there anymore, the country is doomed, and that is what he did. Intina Rawlings free so no bibia basano. Your own MPs, your own parliamentarians, they stole money. Accra Sports Stadium, Itimensa when this can. What did you do to him?
Accra
Sports Stadium, Itimensa when this can. Scanner I see a renovation with Accra Sports Stadium. Itimensa or this can and Okoto rubber chairs beguho. What did you do to him? Nothing. And that is the same thing the NDC is doing today. They are it's the same attitude. This guy is okay. Is okay. But if someone does it, hey, they are chrono. Ni papa dynasty is a jinga no. Onu Zanetor ni papa dynasty a jinga no. Land no. It was a state land. It was a state land. Boji mane ho. Ba be gugu nkrofo ejuma a life wo papa na egu a life yare sa wo dem sa na odi wu ye. People don't know say ne police hospital esi wo no police hospital na esi wo. It was a private hospital. Police hospital na esi wo esi Dankwasa Genen. It was a private hospital. Rawlings na ji ye. Rawlings na ji ye from the owner. It was a private hospital. But we've kept quiet just to make sleeping dogs lie. So if you, the majority, you have the guts to call somebody a traitor, dear, I'm feel say, no dear, it's painless. You see, I say that you can't control the reaction of the person. It's not in your control. Umuka se traitor, umuka se yes, you ever find a trasa. What was your father's contribution to Ghana's independence? Nipa no ku nkruma, nipa no overthrow nkruma no. It was your father's hero. Kotoka was your father's hero. Inti no this adinu to airport no. Who papa name is our airport no Kotoka International Airport. It was your father's hero. The person who killed Nkrumah was your father's hero. But we don't read. People don't read. Now, Kevin Taylor simple them in person Crawford Beckham because the guy is an empty barrel. It's so empty and so shallow. They are so empty and shallow.
They don't do any research.
They come and say these things, and they allow themselves to be incited by a fool who is sitting in the US who had no contribution to this country. The taxes were higher than you're saying. But no, he feels that he has the guts to say whatever he wants to say and get away with it. Because Ghanaians are not thinking. I wish they had given Zanetor a chance to speak. Because as arrogant as she is, in Nkrofo me, I've worked with him, I've worked with her closely, so I know what I'm talking about. As arrogant as she is, Nipane kasa ye twana no who saw Mike Namano. Who saw Mike Namano? So onka Jen, who saw Mike Namano?
Daughter of Medra.
You see, people didn't see that. People didn't see that. Say it was inciting chaos. But no, the idea descend the good sono. Any dear nipa pewu nipa we dear. Na JB dan go no what here say na ye can chiasem no. Ye can no. You see, sorry Presby crowd was eulogizing the person. I didn't have a parliament. Eulogy. Now what bet now on cancel for say JB dan is a traitor. Arrogant mutala no say wine ni tia say you know hwe munhwe bibi ye wo man mu enye se nkrofo ni anu din na nkrofo aye achampo adwuma waye eboa wabo man pa ye nka ho hwe obi asori na Rawlings then no Rawlings then pa no ye
double say enye nkwasi asem na ye nipa da mono mo say mo so na mo bon Nkrumah no ma bo Rawlings. Meanwhile company sa Nkrumah beto you obesi bi kan ho no the same Rawlings na the diversity implementation policy ebeton di nyina
me say abegu
na mo na history no ebi nkan ya na
yeah banking sector clean up no sabi kwasie bi begina o ka say na do we gu Nkrofo adwuma Nkrofo 6,000 na me say don't be silly. Don't be silly. You go PWD. Do you know the number of workers who went home? They are over 6,000. You go PWD. Do you know at
Only
that
one
time
company.
there was no alternative employment? Rawlings never go no.
obi na atro egu ase ho no. Obi na atro ne de egu ase ho. na me say ye check ye dem say nkwafo meka on experience with Rawlings ah me say
my kind for na too much. It has to stop. And the president stood somewhere. Yeah, campaign original simply more cast. NDC gone out of a revolution. So it means that they are proud of what they did, what their founder did at that time. They are proud of it.
83. My father died 89.
Double my kakana lukun kasa. Why? My lukun kasa is real.
My father a contractor. It was kaye a juma bibrisisi cocoa warehouses bibria was a time was a omutua me father scano. Then Rawlings order some me father mbra. Nobody called James Fort prison. Me father daho afini e komo mo firing squad. E ku me father jini freeze asase so. Na satan ni Yesusa. Me mother ekuta mama kuma ku 5. Afi panyi kura wo 12 years. Ma Jerry me finish me father. Sadia any you are free. Me ma me ya omo twen no say bibia anye den ento no. No be fi asundue me ye me nana ke yesa ke bika me papa wu ka me nana so ba be wu. What you say? No omo mane nam ho e me obi be ka so mo ye medre amomo frantoma. Kwase na se ne anka chi akofo. Na se no mo ye science
yawo ho. Yeah, campaign ya. Ni osi akonwa so sesi ayato abama no his excellency. Ogina platform so ka kire Ghana for say omo no mo ye revolutionist. Inti ebanya to trust someone omo di mo kan obi antumi won we to trust him. It is here. Mabo wa ha, it is here. Wo ye ti. Na say ye ka na say ya asem na ye nka na ye o man we nye serious.
NDC has revolutionary roots. And that when it comes to unleashing violence, nobody can beat us in unleashing violence.
It was not a coup. Wait, President Ayato Abana Amanu no.
So catch now. Or catch now say who MPP no usro. Oh ye coward. Enti we say who MPP wakuma one for my odo ni penti. Utimi ni bone. Ento no ye wudi ni NDC no obedi bone. Na wasai abo hu. Ento we be ma we MPP ni mu asore keke. Sorry. We be try on that kwa we nsa kwa we e ba be yi kasi asemo Ghana.
I papa na wo kan.
Abi before
yes,
ebe wudi semo a monto ye.
Before yesura ade pa yesura ade.
Honorable, a minute penamency from now, may I mean Kasakasi because Ghana and Kasano Yana Yama Crema Damasa Norocado. And Libya Mekade say Nim Dominion Menumena, let's look at the Hutus and the Tutsis. Ghana, Damasa Makana that Miss Ghana, the Mokana Yerfado. Yati wama hwe yanini anoma wo fi voter na not so